Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a brand new Amazon unboxing, unbagging, and do you think we need the scissors or could I rip it open? Sometimes I can and sometimes I can't. Let's give it a go. No, not today. I wonder why. But we'll give it a little cut with the scissors and now we can rip it open. I'm very excited about this. So, ready, and this is the Portable Painter Classic. It is a little mini palette that I have been wanting for a long time. It's been in my wish list for a long time, and it went on sale for $46, and it's normally over $50. Today it's $52.99, I believe. That's Canadian money. So I got it when it was on sale for $46 because I've never seen it go that low. And this is something I've just really wanted for a long time. I don't know if it's going to be helpful for me or not, but I know a lot of the YouTubers that I watch. Off the top of my head, I can think of Sarah Burns Studio. She does gouache. She uses this and she really likes it. And I just always thought it looks really cool. So let's open this up and see what we're going to get. So, yeah, I don't know if this is going to be as good as people say it is or if it's going to be overhyped, but I thought it's been in my wish list for so long and the prices are just going to go up and up. And when it went on for $46, I just impulsively hit that buy it now button. You know me. So first of all, we have this little ad. And this is what it will look like when it's all undone. So they're showing what it looks like next to a smartphone. And I'm using my smartphone to record this, so let's bring it up. Yeah, it's a little bit shorter than my smartphone and a little bit more narrow than my smartphone. So yeah, that's really good. And what I like about it is it says it's hands-free and it's supposed to fit over your knee. And I'm sure, I don't know if there's a picture of someone using it on their knee. Here. Can you see that little picture? Yeah, that's not going to work for me. My knee is much wider than that. I really don't believe it will work. So we'll see. So it comes with this little silver area. And I hope, I'm in my art room right now instead of my room. I have better lighting in my bedroom. Let me see if I could turn the lighting over more here. I'm going to have to brighten it up in editing, I think. But it has the logo here. And it has this little band that I'm going to be really worried about losing. And then it just comes apart in pieces, I think. I don't know if this comes off yet. This comes off. So that is another piece I'm going to be worried about losing. And there's this. And there's this. And this reminds me very much of my favorite water jug thingy for cleaning my water that I bought from Temu for like $3. It's 3 of these together kind of thing, and I love it. But anyway, this is for water, and basically you open this up. If I could figure out how to open it up, it opens this way. So this piece comes over this way, and this piece comes over this way, and it comes with 12 little, what are these called? Like paint pans. And I believe these are half pan size. And it comes with a teeny tiny little brush. I'm going to have to tilt it out. And then this, I believe somehow fits over, but I'm not quite sure how. So does it just slide in? I think it just slides like that. Yeah, it just slides. There's a little groove here and a little groove here. And you just have to line it up and slide it. I apologize, I'm all thumbs. My hands are very, very shaky today. If I were to do art today, it would have to be abstract art. We'd have to start doing abstract art because I'm super shaky today. And then it sits like this. And I'm just going to go off camera for a second and see if it fits on my knee. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. It almost fits on my knee, but not quite because yeah, my knee's a lot wider than that. I've got big legs. My My dad's from Austria, and our whole family on the Austrian side, we have what we call mountain climbing legs. We have really big legs. Even when I was a skinny little kid, I had giant legs with giant calf muscles. So yeah, so that's how it looks. Let's take a look at the little brush. And it's just a tiny, teeny little brush. I don't know what size it is. It doesn't say, but it's cute. It's nice to always have a nice little brush. And they do make little tiny wells that will fit in here so that you can have some extra room if you want to put more stuff in there. And I thought about getting it, but you know what? It was so much more expensive. It was $30 more expensive to get these tiny little pieces of plastic. And I thought, no way, I'm not going to do that. Maybe someone somewhere who has a printing thing can print them out. You know those plastic printers? I don't know what they're called. 3D printers maybe? But yeah. But what really appealed to me is, even though I can't put this on my knee, I can put it down next to me. And then I have lots of water. I have other little palettes. My favorite one is my Winsor & Newton one, but it just has a little tiny area for water, which is fine because when it gets too dirty, I just use a paper towel and I clean it up and I add more. But I do like having more fresh water. And so this I think is great. I would even use this at home. I think it's adorable, really. My only qualm is I'm bad at losing things. And I can really envision losing these pieces while I'm working. So, yeah. But I guess I could just kind of stick it on here while I'm working before I fill it with water. See if I could pop that in. Yeah, so I could just kind of hold it on like that so that I don't lose it, and could even pop the brush in here when you're not using it. So I think that's really cute. I'm happy with this. Would I eventually get the things to fill this up? I don't know. I mean, I could just dab some white gouache in here and let it dry and just use this for white gouache. That would work. Because I have portable paintbrushes that I could bring with me. I just thought that this was cute. I absolutely did not need this. But when I got a notification that it was on sale, and it was on sale for better than I've ever seen it, I thought I would get it. It's super cute. And I might like it. You never know. Yeah. Okay, so that is it. This is just the unboxing portion for the portable painter. I got it for 46 Canadian. Right now, it's almost 53 Canadian. But you know how Amazon is. Prices change all the time. If you have one of these, let me know how you like it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Hit that like button and the subscribe and the notification bell. All of those good things that help as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care, stay safe, and happy crafting. Bye guys.